The snail. Snails are animals that fall into the category of mollusks or belly-legged animals. This animal is an invertebrate or without a backbone. Snails come from the class gastropods or shelled mollusks. This class has the highest number of species after insecta or insects. There are two types of snails, namely shelled and unshelled. The snails that are known by many people are of the shell type. Snail habitats range from humid places to barren deserts. There are also types of snails found in the deep sea. Most types of snail species are marine animals. While the rest are spread over land, freshwater, and brackish water. Most types of snails are also herbivores. But there are also some types that are omnivores and predatory carnivores. The best known example of a land snail is the snail or Achatina folica. Snails can be found in almost all humid and wet land with lots of trees. Next there are sea slugs or Littorina sp. Most sea slugs are predatory carnivores. They prey on small fish and small marine animals. There are also types of freshwater snails such as rice snails. Then there are also green mussels or mussels. This type of snail is a type of shellfish that can be consumed by humans. Most freshwater snails can be consumed by humans. Snails are unique and interesting soft animals.